The geographical formation of India, a land of extraordinary landscapes, ancient civilizations, and diverse ecosystems. But have you ever wondered how this incredible landmass came to be? Today, we'll unravel the story of India's geographical formation, a tale that began over 200 million years ago. Our journey begins in a time when dinosaurs roamed the earth. Around 200 million years ago, India was part of a massive supercontinent called Gondwana. This colossal landmass included Africa, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. But tectonic forces were at play. The Indian plate began to separate from Gondwana, embarking on a slow but unstoppable journey northward at a speed of about 15 centimeters per year, faster than your fingernails grow. About 50 to 60 million years ago, the Indian plate collided with the Eurasian plate. This monumental collision was no ordinary event. It gave birth to the Himalayas, the tallest mountain range on Earth. Even today, the Himalayas continue to rise by a few millimeters each year as the plates push against each other. This collision also created the fertile Indo-Gangetic Plain, a lifeline for millions of people. While the Himalayas are young and dynamic, the southern part of India tells a much older story. The Peninsular Plateau, including the Deccan Plateau, is one of the Earth's oldest landforms. Formed over 3 billion years ago during the Precambrian era, this ancient landmass has withstood the test of time. The western and eastern Ghats, which flank the plateau, were shaped by erosion over millions of years, creating stunning cliffs and valleys. To the west and east of the plateau lie India's coastal plains. These regions were formed by sediment deposited by rivers and the constant action of waves and tides. India's islands have equally fascinating origins. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands were born from volcanic activity, while the Lakshadweep Islands are coral atolls, formed from the skeletons of tiny marine organisms. India's rivers have played a vital role in shaping its geography. The mighty Ganges, Brahmaputra, and Indus carried sediments from the Himalayas, creating the fertile Indo-Gangetic Plain, one of the world's most productive agricultural regions. In the south, rivers like the Godavari, Krishna, and Narmada carved valleys and created rich deltas, supporting life and civilization for thousands of years. India's unique geological history has gifted it incredible diversity. From the towering Himalayas to the ancient Aravallis, from the sprawling Thar Desert to the lush forests of the Western Ghats, every region tells a story of resilience and transformation. Even today, tectonic activity continues to shape the land, reminding us that the Earth is always in motion. So the next time you walk on Indian soil, remember that you're standing on land shaped by billions of years of natural forces. This is the story of India, a land as old as time itself,